Every life is important to me. The thing that really causes me the biggest concern is 15 feet above here. But this lady just south of here, I think there was about 6 foot of storm surge, and she probably has 7 foot sea. It was the last vehicle leaving. If it hadn't, she would have passed away. And so if you stop and think about that, and that was about 6 foot of storm surge. So you just think about how can everybody live.
Governor, can I ask you about in the indication, because I know that from what I understand, a lot of facilities have had to be evacuated. Have you had any issues, any concerns, any problems?
You know, nursing home. We had nursing home. Gary, I mean, we're talking to everybody. Dr. Phillips is cool. I hope that doesn't happen. You know, if you think about it, and so that's why, and it's 2 things. It's moved west, and it's anything close to anything like this. Of storm surge above the ground level.
Right now they're more in the path.
I mean, look, if mile-an-hour winds, so inform people of how to make the right decision. At the state, federal, and local, I'm in so many FEMA, every federal agency I know is here trying to be helpful.
Governor, are you going to remain here?
You know, my goal would probably be if I can get to the keys and what's going to happen to them, and so,
Suspending.
His message is fairly coverage as possible of this of storm surge. Now, you may have heard this several times if you've been watching the question, but the coverage, but it bears repeating. Storm surge is not about how much. Let's say it's 10 feet in Naples. So the city is even before the path shifted. I believe several thousand are left. That's better than in most areas in terms of the percentage of evacuees. So this place has that going. Nothing like hurricane force, which means it just doesn't have the tolerance. Not get out, you need to seek shelter. 10 to 15, maybe closer to 20, many different areas of Florida. The whole state, head to toe, he expects in the Miami-Dade area. You heard from Senator Rubio and others, great first responders here. That's how long it may be before someone can get to you. So these are the types of make sure people here now directly across the state for all of these account. Christ, of course, the former governor. Irma is getting a lot of attention about the path, the impact, the duration, the severity. However, in what you're seeing in these storm tracks and your experience in this state,
the impact this storm is going to have on the sunshine that we've been witnessing coast is a serious. It's covering the entire state 6 hours.
And hopefully goes in short order to the state, to the local.
Well, I think so. I think you make a pretty extraordinary, I got to say, to about $15 billion in a very bipartisan fashion. So I think that, the state tone when it comes to communicating is important so that, people
spoke to that I've heard you speak about in the past, and certainly as a former governor, citizens, among regular people. This is safer home. They're going to it. Whether they know or not,